Oh, wonderful. Long expression 4x plus 2 times 3x plus 5y plus 7y minus 2 times 2y plus 3z minus 9x plus 3y plus 2 times 5y minus 2z. And let's keep this 4x separate, plus 2 times 3x plus 5y, that is 6x plus 10y plus 7y minus 4y minus 6z minus 9x plus 3y plus 10y minus 4z. So we are opening up this bracket, opening up this bracket, opening up this bracket. Nothing else. We're keeping it simple. So this will be 4x plus 6x only, no other x term, 10y plus 7y minus 4y, 17 minus 4, 13y minus 6z minus, there's only one x term, 9x plus 13y minus 4z. This is getting subtracted from this. Right, so this will be 4x plus 6x plus 13y minus 6z minus 9x minus 13y plus 4z minus of 9x minus of 13y minus of minus 4z. So now let's put x's together, y's together, z's together. The best part about this, the y's disappear. And let's first put x's together. 4x, 6x minus 9x. 4x plus 6x is 10x. 10x minus 9x is x. Y, 13y minus 13y. This completely disappears. No y term. Minus 6z plus 4z, which is minus 2z. They're looking for x minus 2z. Lovely. That is here. Done. The y term completely disappears. We had a bunch of y's and then subtract the same number of y's. Y disappears.